Hello everyone. Today we are present here with our next topic, that is about digestive system. When we talk about digestive system, so digestive system is consist of in human as holozoic nutrition. Which type of nutrition is there? Holozoic nutrition. ह्यूमन में हेट्रोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन होता है और हेट्रोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन में भी जो टाइप ह्यूमन में हो रहा है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज होलोजॉइक न्यूट्रिशन. Holozoic nutrition, which means that it is a type of nutrition, or we can say it is a type of digestion in which 5 steps are there to convert complex food material into simpler form. In Holozoic nutrition 5 step process होता है जिसमें जो कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड मटेरियल है डेट गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू सिंपलर फॉर्म. अब ये करना बहुत इजी नहीं होता है, इसीलिए ये होलोजॉइक न्यूट्रिशन होता है एनिमल्स में जिसमें 5 प्रोसेस होते रहते हैं. व्हाट आर दैट 5 प्रोसेस? फर्स्ट वन इज कॉल्ड है इंजेशन. इंजेशन का मतलब होता है इनटेक ऑफ फूड, फूड को अपने बॉडी के अंदर लेना. सेकेंड इज कॉल्ड है डाइजेशन. डाइजेशन द प्रोसेस दैट टेक्स प्लेस इनसाइड द स्टमक. Third is absorption. Absorption, the process that is taking place in a small intestine. Fourth is assimilation, the process that is taking place in a large intestine. And last one is egestion. Egestion, that is also called as excretion. Now we will start one by one. When we talk about human, or when we are talking about animals, so in human, the first process is ingestion. Ingestion means taking of food or intake of food inside the body. Mouth is the organ from where the food is taken inside the body. Now, inside the mouth, this mouth is also called as buccal cavity. buccal, buccal cavity. Buccal cavity consists of teeth, दांत जिसे आप लोग कहते हैं. It consists of a muscular organ that is also the sense organ that is called as tongue. It also consists of several salivary glands. Now, when we talk about how this process takes place inside the mouth, there are teeth. These teeth appears twice set in 2 sets in our life. First set is called as primary teeth, or we can say temporary teeth. It is also called as milk teeth, that is seen in the small student. And when the person grows up, there is falling of the temporary teeth, permanent teeth comes. The number of milk teeth is 20 and the number of permanent teeth is 32. कितने परमानेंट टीथ होते हैं? 32. और मिल्क टीथ होते हैं ओनली 20. मोलर, देयर आर 4 सेट्स ऑफ टीथ. फर्स्ट वन इज कॉल्ड एज, दिस फ्रंट वन आर कॉल्ड एज इंसीजर, साइड वन आर कॉल्ड एज कैनाइन्स, beside it is premolars, and at the last are molars. When we talk about molars, so molars appears only once in our life. Molars हमारी लाइफ में सिर्फ एक बार appear होते हैं. and molars, they are present at the last, they are present at the jaw side. Here they are present, they are 4 in number. They are not there in the milk teeth form, they are permanent form. When the person reaches to the age of 17 to 18 years, then these molar teeth starts appearing. When the food we take inside the mouth, with the help of teeth and with the help of tongue, the food gets chewed and it mixes with the saliva. The mixing with saliva, this process is called as mastication of the food. This mastication of the food is done with the help of the tongue. What is done? With the help of the tongue, saliva is mixed with the food. After that, when the saliva is mixed with the food, it is properly chewed and it becomes a round ball like structure, that food, that is called as bolus. Now this bolus, it passes downside towards the esophagus, and there is the movement that is taking place in whole alimentary canal. That movement is called as peristalsis. What that movement is called as? Peristalsis. Now what is peristalsis? If the question is there, the movement of food through alimentary canal is called as peristalsis. Now peristaltic movement is taking place. Now the thing arises, from where this saliva comes inside our mouth. When we talk about saliva, so saliva, there are 3 sets of salivary gland. One is present here, another one is present here, and then present inside the we can say below the tongue. 3 places that salivary glands are present. They secrete the saliva and lubricates the mouth. After that, the food passes through the esophagus. but between there there is a place that is called as epiglottis. Epiglottis is the junction between the food pipe and windpipe that prevents the entry of the food to the windpipe and makes the entry of the food to go inside the food pipe. See, epiglottis, it's only responsible for restricting the entry of the food in the windpipe. If there is the sudden entry of the that food in the windpipe, we see that many of the people are start coughing, many of the people start getting hiccups. So that's due to this. So what is the that flap-like structure called? That is the epiglottis present at the center. Now in our next video we will continue with the next topic, that is digestion. Thank you.